Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Hambising, your English teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. Dear student, this is the continuation of your sixth chapter from English grammar book. The name of chapter is adjectives. Let us discuss. In this chapter, we shall discuss what are adjective, definition of adjective, and the kinds of adjective. Basically, dear students, there are six kind of adjectives are there. We will discuss one by one. So let's begin. So, adjective, what are adjective? Dear students, words that tell us about nouns or pronouns or describe them are called adjective. For example, big, small, pretty, sweet, tasty, tall, short, soft are adjective. Basically, adjective are qualities and like mummy baked a delicious cake. So here delicious will become your what is cake are different kind, but it tells more about cake. Which kind of cake is this? Delicious cake, so it will become an adjective. And Umesh is this is Umesh new house. Okay, so it tells more about Umesh. So Umesh here is noun and its new house here become adjective. So nouns or pronouns or describe them are called adjective. Words that tell us about noun, pronoun, describe them are called adjective. There are six kind of adjective, dear students. So first one is six kind of adjective are the first adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Let us discuss first one, adjectives of quality. An adjective of quality describe a quality of a person or thing. They answer the question, oh, what kind or type. So in quality, adjective of quality, here it shows which kind or type is that noun. For example, Kolkata is large city. So we will find the answer which kind of city is Kolkata. Large city, or type we can call large type. Okay. Now Sananya is a beautiful girl. Which type of girl is Sananya? Beautiful girl. So these are, if the noun tells about kind or types, it will refer to adjective of quality. Which qualities a person is belong to. Okay, here if you see large, beautiful and blue tells what kind of a person, such adjectives are called adjective of quality. And the second one is adjective of quantity. Quantity will tell how much of a thing there is. How much means an adjective of quantity tell us how much quantity of thing is meant. Okay, and in this we should get the answer of question how much of a thing there is. Like she did not do any work. Okay, there is little juice in a jug. So these kind of little and any are how many or things there are, they are called adjective of quantity. Quantity, you remember quantity, little, any, half shows about quantity. Then if we move to third one, that is adjective of number. If adjective of number like counting are there, like 2, first, 5, an adjective of number tells how many person or things are meant. There are the answer of the question how many things are there. Like Reena has two brother. Now two, here two is adjective of number. Now Sunday is the first day of the week. Here the first refers to number. And the Ria has 5 pairs of shoes. 5 pairs refer to 5. Here 5 refers to number. Okay, a number as you know 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So here 2, first and 5 are a number, and say people, how many peoples or how many things are there, they are called adjective of number. Then third one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means here if you find out the question of these, that, these and those are demonstrative. Demonstrative means adjective used to point out some person or thing. Demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or thing. They answer the question which. If we find the answer of which, it will definitely it's you can easily identify demonstrative adjective is here. Like this, which book is this book belongs to my brother. That ride over there is the most dangerous in the amusement park. I like this flower. Now which book? This book. Now which ride over? That ride over. Which flower? These flower. This kind of answer refers to demonstrative adjective. Now fourth one is interrogative adjective. What are interrogative adjectives, dear students? Interrogative adjectives, we use these adjective with noun to ask question, like birds, which, what, all type of wh questions come under this. Like what color is your dress? Which book do you eat like to read? Whose dog is that? Like all wh question which introduce their self or asking the questions, you can easily find the interrogative. Now last one is possessive noun. Possessive means these adjectives shows possessions of belonging. Like let's see the example. The adjective shows belonging to, like the color of my bedroom is pink. So which kind of bedroom is there? uh, Pink. And whose, it refers to whose belongings? Mine. My bedroom is there, na, that's why its belonging refers to her pet. Her pet or dog is playing with its toy. This is our school. Whose school is this? Our school is this. So here birds, my, her, its and our shows something belong to someone. So these words are called adjective of possession. Like our school we call na Saint Andrew school. This is our school. Okay, so your school is, so Saint Andrews school refers to you people, no? You student, you are students of Saint Andrews school, dear students, no? So that's why you can call it a possessive adjective. So here we discuss the six kind of adjective are there. Very simple. Let's recall once again and quick revision of it. Here, what are adjective? Nouns or pronouns or describe them. Words that tell us more about noun or pronouns. Simply words. Okay. Now, kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality. Quality. Which quality? Like large, blue, and beautiful. And adjective of quantity. Like any, half, and little. Like quantity. And number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like numbers. Demonstrative means like these, that, these are demonstrative to pointing out some person or thing. And interrogative, as the name suggests, introduction or introducing yourself. Like all wh questions are there, like what color, which books, whose dog. And possession, like just now we discussed example of our sentence school, the belonging to which it's referred to. Okay, so read this once again, and after that you have to complete this exercise. Exercise is very simple, dear student. Complete these multiple choice MC questions in book itself, and then second one, read adjective and nouns. You have to underline and write down in the columns which one is adjective and which one is noun. Then third one, fill in the blanks with possessive adjective. Rasmi has met dash new neighbor. You have to write, you have to fill this blanks at your own. Then fourth one, some clues are there. Fresh, unripe, light, shadow, tall, cruel, beautiful, bite. Some these are given to you to complete at your own. Then fifth one, find the adjective with nouns and describe. So this is very simple. Just try to complete this work as soon as possible. If you're facing any problem, you can call me. Remember, dear students, the timing for sending your answer will be from 12 a.m. to till 3 p.m. After that, the class WhatsApp groups will be closed and only group admins will be able to send the messages. And dear students, your query time will be from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. I will answer to it. So read this chapter once again. Try to find the answer at your own, and make some notes as well in your grammar notebook, like adjective and kinds of adjective along with definitions and two example of each. Thank you, dear students.